Well, hello, loves. This is Kimberly here. Welcome to the channel. The holidays are coming up quickly, and I have something right here at my feet. If you are looking for something special for one of your little ones, check out this riding dump truck by Garvee. Garvee is the sponsor of today's video. Now, Garvee reached out to me to take a look at one of their products that my grandson will absolutely love. And it is the Garvee two-seater ride-on car. 6x6. It has a 24-volt kids ride-on dumping truck with remote control, electric utility vehicles, which is a UTV, battery-powered six-wheeler with EVA tire wheels, and it ships in 2 boxes. This is how the first box is packaged. You also have your choice of colors. This vehicle comes in black, white, pink, green, and blue. And we selected the blue. And here is the second box. Again, this vehicle is sent in 2 parcels individually, and they may not arrive at the same time, but mine did. This 2-seater vehicle is suitable for 1 kid or for 2 kids to play together in, and it will provide your children with a pleasant riding experience. Assembling this vehicle was a breeze. It took my hubby less than 45 minutes to assemble. This dump truck comes with your charging unit as well as a remote, so a parent can control this vehicle as well. This kid's electric vehicle is equipped with 6 EVA rubber wheels, 4 of which are drive wheels powered by 4 powerful 75-watt motors with a maximum speed of up to 5 miles per hour. There are high and low speed settings to switch between, and the knob features 3 levels: forwards, neutral, and reverse. The details on this vehicle, they are amazing. As you can see, for safety reasons, this vehicle comes with seat belts. And the battery is located under the seat. The truck is equipped with an electric auto lift dump bed, so the driver doesn't need to pull it manually. They can just control the dump bed with a switch. Another safety feature is the push button to open and close both doors. The doors lock in place. And another cute feature is the headlights on this truck. They do light up. So realistic. Now, we showed this dump truck to our grandson, and he absolutely loves it. And he's going to take it for a ride, and then we got to give it to Santa to bring it back to him, right? And the very last feature I want to share with you is this truck can play music. It has its own, or you can use a USB to hook your phone and play your own music. So if you are looking for an amazing gift for your children or your grandchildren, check out Garvee and this amazing two-seater ride-on car / dump truck with remote control. I am sure your children will love it as much as my grandson does. I will have information about Garvee, the link to this product, as well as a discount code for all of my blessed family. Thank you, Garvee, for the opportunity to share this amazing product with my blessed family. If you are new here, welcome to the channel. I'm so glad that you are here, and I hope you decide to stay by clicking that subscribe button and subscribe to the channel. Double click that bell so you'll be notified of all uploads here on Kimberly Davis, A Blessed Home. I can be followed on other social media sites, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and I also have an Amazon store where you can shop 24 hours a day, 7 days a week for beautiful home decor, home essentials, personal items, and more. All of those links can be found in my description box below. And if you are a faithful and returning ABH family member, you already know how I feel about you. I love you guys so much, and I am truly blessed that you are a part of our amazing family we have here. Thank you so much for watching. You take care, you be blessed, and I'll see you on the very next video. Have a blessed, beautiful day. Please be safe out there, and I'll talk to you real soon. Love you guys.